Hey, it's Annie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be reviewing this. I've been using it for a while. I know how I feel about it, but I want to share it with you guys, okay? So, and I don't think I've heard anybody talk about this, although I'm going to be honest with you, I don't watch other videos on YouTube anymore. I just don't because I do not have time to do it. I am on here, I'm on TikTok. It's like having two channels. I don't have time to watch other videos. So, I haven't heard anything about it. I'm going to share with you. So this is from Gucci, and this is their mattifying primer. And like it's hard to see because of the lights. But I'm going to tell you something. I have been using this for a while. I really like this a lot. I'm going to demo it for you. So you're going to see what it looks like. I wonder if I should do... Now I have to do my whole face. If I do half my face, then I'm going to look crazy. I don't know if I'm looking orange on camera. Maybe it's settled down now. When I first came on camera, I looked really orange. But anyways, I love the packaging on it. It's got this little pump here, which we all love. Okay. This isn't one I use all the time, but I have a couple of, I should have brought them in here. I have a couple of primers one's from MAC that helps to control the oil. And, you know, what's funny about this, by the way, this actually contains oil, but it does help to control my oily skin. So I really like this, okay? There's one from MAC that I like, and I thought there was another one off the top of my head. I cannot think of it. But in general, I don't use primers. You guys know that I don't. My primer is a moisturizer. That's what I normally use before I apply my foundation. But this would be something I would wear on a day when it's going to be really, really hot if I really want to control my oily skin. If I'm going to be out in the heat, humidity, and I just really wanted to control that shine, this is something I would use. And like I said, I've been using it. I really like it. It is fragranced. I don't know why they have to do that, but it's not, for me, I mean, it goes away. It's not terrible, but this is what it looks like. I'm going to do two pumps, not like a pump and a half. So that's what it looks like, okay? And when you put this on, my face looks really shiny today. When you put this on, it kind of has a little bit of like it's a little bit sticky, if you will, okay? It's a little bit sticky. I'm using a new, by the way, I don't know, my face looked really orangey, but I am using a new sunscreen I will share with you guys soon too. I just want to make sure I blended this in really, really well. So I really like this because, like I said, once I put it on, it feels like you get a little bit, not a big grip, but it's a little bit sticky. Just slightly, just slightly. So let me put a foundation on. I'm going to use this one today. This is this could be my holy grail if it didn't have alcohol, didn't have in it, but I will use this one today. This is the Luminous Silk. I probably should have brought a different one in here because I'm going to be honest, I'm going to wear this today. It's probably good to just let you see this. Even with a glowy foundation, I feel like this works good. But if I were trying to control my oils, I would go for my Sicily Phototiens Eclat. I know I'm not saying that right, okay? The oil-free one. Not that they came out with another one. It's not good. It has a lot of alcohol in it. It's the one that has like the little zebra top, okay? That's the best way to describe it. That one I'll use this with. Another one is the MAC Studio Fix foundation is another one that I grab if I want my foundation to stay on all day and not move. And the other one, believe it or not, is my double wear from Estee Lauder. It's a full coverage, so I don't like to wear it all the time. But if I really want my foundation to stay on, I will grab that. Sometimes I'll thin it out a little bit though, so it's, you know, not too full coverage. But anyways, we're going to go in with this one. And I think I will use my sponge today to apply this. And I'll do it half of my face because I think it's nice to see. And I forgot to use my concealer. And you know what? I don't know if I brought concealer in here today. I got to go grab my concealer. But I want to do half my face so you can kind of see what it looks like with foundation on. I'm going to show you what it looks like once I get all my makeup on. But look at the finish on my face. Isn't it beautiful? Now I have a little bit of a shine coming through, but I promise you by the end of the day, it's still going to look like really, really good. I think I just got too much foundation. We'll put a little bit more right there. And I gotta get some right there too. Okay. So let me finish. I'm gonna finish applying this. Let me get my makeup on, because you've seen it close up. Let me get the rest of my makeup on, and then we'll do a little close-up view again. I will check in with you guys later. And like I said, I love this, but I want you to see it at the end of the day so you know that I'm not talking out of my ass. Okay? It looks amazing, doesn't it? I swear I love this primer. So there's no guarantees what I'm going to look like as far as like what I'm going to wear, because I'm filming other videos today, okay? I may not even be wearing the same lipstick. I don't know. I am going to come in here later and I am going to show you guys what my makeup looks like hours from now, okay? But let me zoom you guys in so you can see. It looks good. It looks really, really good. I really like this. But I will come back. I will show you. We'll do a little check-in, and I'll see you in a little while. I'm going to zoom you guys in so you can see what I look like. I've not touched anything up. The only thing I touched up once is my lipstick, and it looks like I need to touch it up again, but I'm not going to. We're going to be okay with that, okay? So let me show you my face. And by the way, it's been about 5 hours. Now, I know some of you are probably like, it's only been 5 hours. Listen, when you have oily skin, 5 hours, you're going to know after an hour, okay? So you can see that I still have a glow to my skin, and I want that. But I don't look greasy, okay? Now, if I had used, now the foundation I used, and I purposely used it, is I used the one from Giorgio Armani, which has a little bit of a glow to it. So if I were to use a matte foundation, which I have, I'm not as glowy as this, okay? I still have a little bit, because when you have oily skin, and you know, if you have oily skin, you are never going to be matte. You will never be totally matte, especially when you live somewhere like I live. You're not going to be matte, okay? But this, I freaking love this stuff. I freaking love this stuff. I'm probably going to have this for a while because it's not something that I use every day. I don't feel like I need to. Just once in a while, I feel like, you know what? I need to use my matte foundation and something, you know, this is so good. This is so good. I've been testing this for a while now. I'm going to share something with you, okay? We all know the Sicily primer. We all know about the Sicily primer. One of the reasons I wanted to test this, I thought maybe this would be a dupe for it, and it's not. It is not a dupe for that, okay? I actually wore it in a video. If you guys remember a video, because I don't know when this is going to go out, okay? But I filmed a video, and one side of my face looked really dewy, and the other side looked matte. Now, I was wearing a different foundation with it, okay? In the video that was matte, I was wearing this. The other side that was really glowy was the Sicily primer. The Sicily primer. You know which one it is? Yes. So I was hoping that maybe this would have been a dupe for it. It's not. I haven't found a dupe for that one yet. I haven't. But this is really, really nice. So again, it's not something I'm going to wear every day, but I really like it. And look how pretty my skin looks. So again, I keep saying this, but one thing I don't like when companies do, personally, is I don't like when they use the word matte. Because I'm telling you, if you have oily skin, there's nothing that's going to make you matte. Unless you bake. Maybe if I baked my face, but I would never do that because it would look ridiculous. But maybe if I baked it, it wouldn't get shiny. I don't know, but I would not want to suck all the moisture out of my skin, okay? Because I like a shine. But this is a really pretty shine. Look how nice and shiny my skin looks, but it doesn't look grease. So this is just really, really nice. I definitely recommend. So if you have oily skin, I think you're going to love this. Use it with an oil-free foundation though, if you don't want to get this shine. Like I said, I purposely did it because I just wanted you to see what it would look like if I used it with something like that. Because easily with a matte foundation, I wouldn't have this much shine. You know, it'd be a little bit more matte, but I like it. I think it's really, really pretty. I think this is a really, really nice one. So that's where I'm going to leave it. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Really hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will catch you guys all in my next one. Bye. Tacky, okay? So I like that. And I said, it has a little bit of a fragrance, but it goes away. It goes, I feel like Gilda Radner. No, who was that character on Saturday Night Live when she would smell her armpits? She'd go, that's what I felt like. Before I get started today, this is going to be as my extras. So if you stayed tuned, you got to hear a little teensy weensy little rant. So when I start off my video, when I'm sharing a review on something, I'm not going to have makeup on. And somebody left a comment not too long ago and just was appalled that I would show up on camera looking like this. I swear to God, you cannot please everybody. I either have people that tell me you have to pull your hair back. When I am reviewing a product or I'm sharing a tutorial, I'm not going to have makeup on. I'm not a fucking magician.